In this clip from the movie Office Space, we see hypnosis being used in therapy. Hypnosis is a method to induce a special psychological state. This hypnotic state is known as a trance. A trance is defined as when an individual thinks about something until an external event breaks the individual out of it, and he or she returns to a normal state of consciousness. This is extremely similar to daydreaming. A trance differs from a normal conscious state because the individual has altered brainwave signals and isn't as alert to the surroundings. The hypnotic state resembles sleep states, however, the individual is awake and somewhat responsive to stimuli. Hypnosis has been used in hypnotherapy, stage performances, TV shows, and movies. It can be used to reduce subjects' pain during an operation or chronic pain like arthritis. It can reduce nausea during chemotherapy treatments, help treat PTSD or depression, and it can also help us learn about diseases that cause impaired consciousness, like Alzheimer's disease. Hypnosis has also been shown to increase mental capacity and physical performance. The effects of hypnosis depend heavily on the individual. Some people are easier to hypnotize than others. Suggestibility is the main contributor to this. Suggestibility is defined as the extent to accept or act on the suggestions of others. People with higher suggestibility are easier to hypnotize. Suggestibility tends to decrease as one ages. Also, if the individual has intense emotions, they tend to have a higher suggestibility. During a hypnotic state, the subject also has a higher suggestibility. In this scene from Zoolander, we see Ben Stiller hypnotized against his will. However, this is not possible, regardless of how high the suggestibility of the subject may be. The subject must enter a trance by his or her own free will. Once in a trance, it's believed the trance allows better communication with the subconscious. This is why hypnosis can be used to boost mental capacity, because you can instill information directly into your subconscious. While in a trance, the brain outputs different brainwave signals. In a trance, the brain produces theta waves, which are associated with states of extreme concentration. Beyond the different brainwave signals, specific parts of the brain are also affected during a trance. The first part is the ventromedial prefrontal cortex of the brain, located here. This part of the brain regulates the conscious decision-making, and the activity of this part of the brain decreases during a trance. The next part of the brain is the precuneus. It's located here. This part of the brain deals with consciousness. The final part of the brain that's affected by hypnosis is the anterior cingulate gyrus. It's located here. This part of the brain is responsible for planning an individual's future actions. The anterior cingulate gyrus is much more active in people with high suggestibility, so during a trance, this part of the brain becomes extremely active. I hope you enjoyed my video on hypnosis, and now have a better understanding on how the brain works.